Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to draw with Python using turtle module. Now we are importing time and turtle module. Now we are setting counter. Now we are setting a conditional while loop. Now we are writing turtle.forward. Now we are writing turtle.right. Again we are writing turtle.right. Here we are setting counter equals to 1. Now we are writing turtle.externally. Now we are running our program. Yeah, it's running well. Our turtle module is making 4 squares. Let's edit it. Let's set it 90 to 10. Our program is making squares and every time the square changing its position. Oh, it's looking like a half lemon. Think at last it will be a circle. 1/4 of the circle is created. I think its speed is so slow. We need to make it more speedy. The circle is created. Let's give our turtle more commands. We can do many big projects with this turtle. This turtle module is very useful to us. Now our turtle is running so fast because we said the command turtle.speed10. Now we are writing turtle.left. It's so large. We need to make it correct. Let's edit it. Now we are running our program. Now it's making a brand new style design. Now we are writing turtle.backward. It's also a command in turtle module. Let's run it. This style is look different. Let's zoom it. I think now you guys are seeing it properly. Let's run it. This design is exactly same to the previous design, but here the module is running slowly because we have set turtle.speed 5. Let's have a look at our code. We need to give every comment very properly. Let's have a look at our code at a glance. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video. Bye bye.